Hi guys, welcome back. Well, this is the iPhone 14 series leather case and I'm actually using it with my 14 Pro Max. Now every year with the iPhones, I do personally use their leather case, and the reason I choose it all the time is because of its premium look and feel, and also because it doesn't add much bulk to the phone. And this year, well, the leather case is still the same, which means all the flaws these cases have is still present and all the best features remains the same. Well, firstly, the main drawback of this case is its price. It's priced at 5,900 Indian rupees, which is very expensive. So if you're a person who doesn't want to spend that much in a case, or maybe you always want to keep changing the case, well then you already know that this case is not for you. But on the other hand, you're not much concerned about the price and you're going to use just one case, well then for a premium case option, this leather case is a neat one. Well, this time for the iPhone 14 series, there are some new colors, and my favorite is this one, which is a brown tone one, and it's called Umber. This leather brown tone actually matches well with almost every iPhone color launched this year, and particularly with the space black unit which I have, it blends really well. Nowadays, Apple's leather cases doesn't patina that much, and given the fact that this brown is a deep dark one will make it stay neat for a longer period of time. And you're a thing you have to notice that the buttons are covered and they're done with aluminum button covering, which looks nice, and also it works really well providing a good tactile feedback. And here for the cutouts, well, the lightning port, bottom speaker grill, microphone grill, mute alert area all have proper cutout, so everything is easily accessible. But then a thing to notice that with a few days of use, dust accumulation does happen, so I usually do a thorough cleaning once a week. But here the positive side is that this case is sturdy, so even if you take it off and put it back regularly, the case won't break that easily. Now this dust accumulation won't scratch your phone because the interior of the case is microfiber lined, but still I usually do clean it. And also one thing to notice that when you install the case for the first time, it does feel a bit more tight, but after the first installation, the case does break in, and after that, installing it becomes much easier. And here if you're a MagSafe charging person, well, this case does support MagSafe charging, which is a plus point. But then with regular MagSafe charging, the case might worn out at a quicker pace. Well, for me, I do prefer wired charging, so this is not going to be an issue, but I actually do use Apple's leather wallet as my primary wallet, and I do stick it and take it off a lot, but then that hasn't affected the case's durability. Still, a thing to keep in mind is that over time, the leather might start peeling at places, which will make the case look bad. And lastly, this case does offer slight lay on the table design, and it does protect the rear cameras in a proper manner. So that's everything about Apple's leather case for the iPhone 14 series. And from my personal experience, well, if you want one of the best case for your new iPhone and you're not much concerned about the pricing, well then this is a great option. But on the other hand, if you don't want to spend this much and all you need is just a case for protection, well then there are so many cheaper options and they're good ones too. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it. If so, like is much appreciated. And also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you won't miss our future contents. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye.